Hey guys, Josh Zamora here, and on behalf of my partners John Gibb and Mo Mia, we're super excited to introduce you to VideoVibe Pro. But just before I pass you over to our software manager Lang, who'll be taking you through a full demo video of what this bad boy can do for your business, I'd first like to say a few very important words. You see, our software has been built to bridge the gap between video, niches, and the all too common traffic problem that anyone starting an online business goes through. VideoVibe Pro is an all-in-one marketing solution not just for online business owners, but for offline business owners as well. Regardless of what you're doing right now, and no matter what you plan to do, VideoVibe Pro will help you drive more traffic, make more sales, and dominate your niche businesses at will. Perhaps you're into e-commerce as an online retailer, or perhaps you're a dedicated niche affiliate. Your goal could even be to drive new leads and sell to your new subscribers on the back end through marketing funnels. No matter what you have right now or what you're trying to do, VideoVibe Pro is the all-in-one marketing solution that you've been waiting for. A software solution that's so powerful, that's so life-changing, that enables you to tap into newfound wealth so quickly that you'll soon be able to finally get more traffic, conquer your niches, and then ultimately grow your business revenue by tenfold. So with all that being said, I'm gonna hand this over to Lang for the much anticipated demo. We'll talk again real soon.
Hey, so I'm going to show you how amazing VideoVibe Pro is and how easy it is for someone who doesn't have any Photoshop experience, who doesn't have any Adobe Premiere, any video editing experience at all. And it makes it so easy for you to create videos for your projects. So I'm just going to log into my account here. Okay, first thing is it's going to show you exactly what you need to do. There's basically 4 steps: research, build, upload, and promote your video. That's how you're going to make money with VideoVibe Pro. There are 3 networks that we have right now. We're going to continually update this and add more networks so that you can do easier research. All you have to do is click on, for example, ClickBank. Let's say I'm interested in promoting something about Japanese, learning Japanese. So I type in learn Japanese and then I hit start research. So there's basically 2 products out there right now on ClickBank. It looks like it's the same actually. So I'm just going to click on join. And what happens is it's going to open up a browser window exactly to where ClickBank is if you're already logged in. So I'm already logged into my ClickBank. So here it is. I can promote this product right away. I can find out more information about it by clicking on the link here. Okay, it's going to go to the merchant's page. So it looks very cool. I can learn more about it. So this is my research phase. Now once I'm done with my research phase, I'm ready to promote this product. So I'm going to go back and I'm going to go back to VideoVibe. Okay, I'm going to proceed to VideoVibe. And now I'm ready to create my video. So let's go to add video and let's add a movie intro style type animation slide here. So we have animation slides here, and let's say I'm promoting a Japanese product called Rocket Japanese. So I'm going to edit this quick and I'll show you how powerful it is. So as you can see, I selected my slide and now I'm going to change the text. Okay, there you go. So as you can see, the text changes when you enter the text information on this area here. So now I can go back to my timeline and edit the second slide here, and I'm just gonna enter my text again. Okay, and there you go. But let's say I don't like the background color. How do I change the background color? It's very simple. All you have to do is go to video background color over here and make sure you select the slide that you want to change the background color to and change the background color. And I'm going to change it to, let's say I want to change it to white as an example. And I just click on apply background and it changed it to white. Now I do the same for the second slide and then I click on change the background. Okay, and there's other things that I can do. For example, I could add music, so I'm going to add music to this slide. Let's see, get to work. Okay, I want to apply selected track. Now when I preview my project, I'll be able to see it with the sound and the music in the background. And all I have to do now is export my project to a video file. So I'll do that right now. Make sure you select MP4, okay, and then export to project. So right now it's going to be rendering the frames of this animation slide, of these two animation slides. So once it's done, you'll be able to save your file onto your desktop or wherever you choose, and then at that point you'll be able to upload it to YouTube, to our own YouTube channel, which is VideoVibe Pro's YouTube channel if you don't have your own YouTube channel, and start promoting your video and get clicks to your affiliate offer. So in the next part of this video, I'm going to use a different slide and I'll show you some of the unique features of VideoVibe Pro. So I'm going to add a video, and the video that I'm going to be adding is a dental. So let's say you own a dental practice. You can actually use these slides without even changing them, and just change the last slide, or you can just change the background. So that's what I'm going to do. I want to change this over here, this slide here, okay, and I'm going to change it from hello I'm John to, let's say, hello I'm Derek. Okay, let's say my name is Derek. So I changed it to Derek. Everything else I'm going to leave the same, okay. And one really cool feature I like is the changing of the hair in this person's dress. So let's say, for example, I want to change the background. So I changed the background to a different color. Let's say that color. Okay. Now I want to change the dress color to blue, maybe a dark blue. Okay. And his hair, I want it to be yellow. I could do that. And there you go. Now it's a very different kind of animation. And now I'm just going to go through each of these slides and change the background color. Okay. Okay. There you go. And then I'm just going to change my address here to my actual address. So I'll put my address as like 1 Toronto. And obviously you can change the phone number. And then my dental clinic's website. As you can see, it's very easy to change an animation slide and make it your own. The great thing about VideoVibe Pro is how flexible and easy it is to create different kinds of videos. I'll show you an example. So let's say I want a movie intro style. So what would I do? I would add the text movement, these two slides here. Actually, I'll just add this one slide. That's why we give you the option to add only one slide. Not all the slides have to be added to a scene, to a project. So I'm going to add this single slide here because I like how it kind of looks like a movie where it's like introducing, you know? So that's one slide. And then I'm going to add another slide that gives it a different kind of effect, right? So this world business here, I really like this first part here where it talks about where everything is like there's a graphic of the world. So I'm going to add that slide. Okay, so I'm going to add another slide over here. I really like this slide. It just gives you kind of like, I'm going to use this to list the features of my product. Okay, so I'm going to add that single slide. And actually with VideoVibe Pro you can actually clone a slide. So all you have to do is click on the slide that you want to clone, right? And then go to Video Editor and click on Video Copy Clone Settings and copy selected animation. What this does is it creates an exact copy of the slide in the next part of the timeline, which is great. I'm going to add one more slide to my project here that is going to really help with my call to action, which is these action slides here. These action slides have an embed area where you can embed an image. So I'm going to add this single slide here, and I'll show you how it works. So I'm going to select this slide here so that I can edit it. I'm going to go to Video Editor, Video Text Editor. I'm going to say, click here to learn more. Okay, and then I'm going to go to Embed Images. Now all I have to do is get images, and then here is where you'll be able to embed certain kinds of images into the animation. So let's say, for example, I want to download now. Okay, so I select download now and I embed image. And so as you can see, the embed image is right here. Okay, it's really great. So I'm just going to show you how flexible VideoVibe Pro is. I'm going to edit the background color for all these slides here so that it's more of the same thing. So I'm going to select this, go to Video Editor, I'm going to go to Video Background, I'm going to enable my background to be this red color. Okay, I'm going to change it for this too. Oh, it's already red. Okay, and then this one I'm going to change it to red too. Okay, so now my whole animation is red, which is what I want. And then all I have to do now is just change the text color, which I can do very easily. Change it to white. Okay. There you go. See? Simple. Alright, there's another great feature that VideoVibe Pro has, and it deals with the timeline. Let's say, for example, you don't want this slide here in the second position. You can move it to anywhere you want. So I'll just give an example here. Let's say I move it down to the third position. All you have to do is click and drag, and there you go. It's in the third position. Okay, so this part of the video, I just want to go over some of the other features that VideoVibe Pro has that are really helpful. One of the main features that we included was the ability to upload your video to our YouTube channel. Now, what does that mean? That means that you don't have to have your own YouTube channel to start promoting your video. So all you have to do is click on Upload to YouTube Video right here, add the video files that you created. So just select the video, click on Open, and then start Uploader. Now what's happening in the background is that it's uploading it to VideoVibe Pro's YouTube channel. And once it's done uploading, you'll see the video URL pop up right here, as you can see. And then you can start using this URL to view your video, to promote your video on your blog and other social networks. Okay, so another really great feature of VideoVibe Pro is the ability to share your video on social networks, and it makes it really easy to do that. So for example, we have a button here called Social Sharing. All you have to do is click on the Social Sharing button and it pops up this. Basically, it's a one-stop place where you can just enter a video URL and share it easily on Facebook, Twitter, Reddit, Delicious Dig, and StumbleUpon. Now with VideoVibe Pro, you'll get a bonus course called Social Accounts 101 that shows you how to create accounts for all these social platforms. Now I'm just going to do an example right now to show you how easy it is. So I have my video URL right here. Okay, I'm just going to paste it in there. I'm going to basically post it to my Facebook page. Now if you're already logged in, it would be great. And then right now I'm just going to share this link. And that's it. That's it. That's how it works. Very easy, very simple. Okay, so another great feature that VideoVibe Pro has is called the Video Syndicate. So what this means is you'll be able to post your video to specialized traffic networks where you'll get free organic traffic. Now all you have to do is select your URL, so copy your video URL, okay, and then paste it in the video URL section here, and make sure to select the networks that you want to have the video posted on. So just select all the networks and then click on Start Posting. And what it does is it basically posts your video to a variety of sites where you'll get free organic traffic.
As you can see, what you're about to get access to is truly a no-brainer. And as you can see from some of our student results, we took one student who wasn't getting any traffic and no sales from his video marketing, but once he started using VideoVibe Pro, he's now getting over 30,000 unique visitors every single month and is making a healthy monthly passive income on top of it as well. Here's another student of ours who did over $6,000 in 1 month with VideoVibe Pro. The best part about all of this is that our students don't have to follow any complicated loophole and don't even have to learn anything new. You just need to use VideoVibe Pro along with our advice and you're pretty much good to go. With that being said, you'll soon have the power to do the same thing as well, being able to leverage VideoVibe Pro at will. On Monday, September 14th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, you'll be able to qualify for a 62% discount of VideoVibe Pro. But in order to qualify, you must opt into the early bird form that's right below this video. Once you're done doing that, we'll send you a very special link that will allow you to download VideoVibe Pro at a 62% discount. So finally, on behalf of my partners John Gibb and Mo Mia, we look forward to seeing you on the inside on September 14th.